Hey, everybody. Listen, I got a testimony for you. Just a few weeks ago, I was, talking to the Lord, just having some prayer time. And one of the things that's really a burden on my heart is that the more that I put into these different programs that we're doing for married couples, for individuals, especially men who are battling with pornography addiction, it was just something that was burdening my heart to say, Lord, I want this to go out to the masses, but I don't want it to happen before your timing. And so, I would just simply keep waiting on the Lord. But I was also at the same time really like, Father, I sure do want to share this. And so one day when I was really thinking about it and really being prayerful about it, next thing you know, I said, Father, how can we get it out to the masses that people from all over the world, all over the country, from many different denominations can be very blessed by the things that we have to offer through our Covenant by Design program, which is about marriage restoration. And so as I was doing that in my heart, next thing you know, my phone rings. And it ended up being a former student of mine who was someone that I trained when I was teaching at Amazing Facts College of Evangelism. And he is now working as a producer at 3ABN. And he reached out to me and he said, hey, 3ABN wants you to come on down and they want you to share about this move that you've made from just, doing general evangelistic work to now getting more involved in marriage restoration and so on. They want to hear your story. And next thing you know, my wife and I are on an airplane and we are making our way out to 3ABN, and we did several recordings where we talked on 3ABN Today, the parent company, as well as Dare to Dream. And we were able to talk about the things that God has been doing in this small little work in his vineyard. And I am so grateful that the first of many recordings is going to be this Friday evening. Yes, May the 29th. This Friday evening is going to be on YouTube, 3ABN Today Extra. That's what it's going to be called. And I'm so happy because it's not going to be just me, but it's going to also be my lovely bride from my side, Alexandra. And she and I together are going to be sharing where we're going to talk about marriage and how it merges with things pertaining to end time events. And how do these two come together? And why is it that if we're going to see our marriages restored, we need to do it now? So family, I just wanted to share this with you real quick. I'm super, super excited. I'm bubbling over with joy, quite honestly. I'm grateful to God because when they gave me the letter, this is my last little thought here. When they gave me the letter, one of the things they said is, please remember that 3ABN has a worldwide audience and that it has an audience of many from many different denominations, etc. And I'm like, that's exactly what I was praying about. And here it is that God opened that door. So tune in for the first of many recordings, 3ABN Today Extra. It's going to be on YouTube. And I would imagine there'll be a link, in this little post here. And hey, be blessed by it. Spread the word. May God bring healing to our hearts, to our homes, to our marriages. I'll see you soon.